Good morning, good day, wherever you are in the world. I hope you are having a wonderful start to your day. Remember, stay positive, think on possibilities. Now, I am going to share with you a bit of my morning ritual. Yeah. So in the morning, I get up, I stay for 5 minutes, I get to my desk or my table or the living room and write in my journal. Then I take the doggies out for a walk. Then I get back home. Now that I'm home, I'm gonna make a drink. This week is mostly celery, carrot, ginger, and lemon juice. And this morning I'm making celery, carrot, ginger, lemon juice I already squeezed. So I'm just gonna continue sharing the process with you. So I'm gonna pour not bad. This one is acidic, but it's good for the body. Now today I don't have much activities to do. I need to check emails, but I'm just gonna go back and rest a while, and then I'll continue the rest of the day, and I'll take you along with that as well. I was editing some videos and the husband made breakfast, pancakes, and I have my drink. Pancakes, let me show you. Cake is this? Is it coconut pancake or just normal pancake? Amaretto pancake with rum pope, ooh, and jam. And I have drink that I made from earlier this morning, and my cuties. We're just finished watching Andre Mac and having breakfast, and I am gonna go back to editing some videos. Guess who's beside me? Andy, say hello. He's looking at Mamma Mia. He's looking at Mamma Mia, and Mamma Mia not paying him any mind. Hmm?
That's how my kitchen.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Hey, hey, hey. I take a break from editing and I am going to prepare lunch. It's now 12:04 p.m. and I am going to prepare beans. It's a beanie week, so I'm gonna mix this bean that I used yesterday. It's called Christmas lima bean. Christmas lima bean and yellow eye bean. These beans were given to me from a friend who has a subscription with Rancho Gordo. And so, yeah, I'm gonna wash these beans. Oh, I have washed the beans. And now I'm gonna pour them in the Instant Pot. And I am gonna go in the Instant Pot with mustard seed, ginger, and garlic, rough chop. Oh, and I'm gonna add a bit of sugar. This is intuition cooking. This is not a recipe. I'm just putting herbs and spices that I think will go well together. Thyme. Salt. I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of salt. No, it's not too much. No, it's not too much, says I. And I'm gonna go in with a bit of molasses. We usually bake with molasses, but this is something I'm trying. And let's see how it comes out. If it comes out bad, no one is gonna have dinner this evening. There's always tacos available. I'm gonna go with 1 tablespoon of sugar. You know, start small and then build from there. That's the key when you're making something you have never done before. Always start small. And if you like it, you can always modify. And then I'm gonna go in with water. And with going in with the water, we just want to cover the beans. The molasses smells real good. So basically put water in there to cover the beans. That's basically what we want. So let you see what's going on in the pot here. We have everything going. Garlic. Maybe I should add pimento, but let's see. I love pimento. But yeah, I'm gonna plug this in. And we are gonna set a time for, let's say, an hour and, where's the cover? An hour and 30 minutes. I'm going in with a bit of pimento berries, alright? So multigrain for an hour and 20 minutes. We can always make changes if needs be. So I'm going in with an hour and 20 minutes. Let this rest, so we will be back. But I'm gonna continue editing. But first, I'm gonna clean up the kitchen. So the Instant Pot just stopped and I'm gonna check on it to see if we need to add any spices to it. Oopsie. So we're gonna take a look-see in the pot. Oopsie. Let me wipe this. Well, need some more spice, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that. So I'm gonna add some warm spice. I'm gonna add paprika, cayenne, and turmeric. Let's get jiggy with it. It has let me taste how this tastes, the liquid. The salt is nice. So I'm going with paprika. Cayenne. A little bit of kick to it. And 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Now we're going to mix this up. It smells smoky, and the smokiness is from the salt. So we're going to plug this back in. Put a cap on it and let it cook for 30 minutes. I'm gonna add some chili to it. Some Mexican chili. And we're gonna let it saute for 30 minutes. And we'll be back. I'm back in the kitchen to check on this pot. Let's see what we're going on here. Nice. Did I do that? Has a nice little spice. I want to show you what it looks like because it's steaming in the pot. This is what it looks like. And in the pot, this is what it looks like. One more taste before I turn it off. Delicious. Avocado, yellow bean, and Christmas bean with quinoa and toast spread.
Buen día. No. Well, after finishing my delicious, yummy meal,
which consisted of beans. Oopsie. Beans, quinoa, and avocado. I am out in the streets walking with the doggies. I'm taking them to the park to have some fun, and then I get back home and relax. Making friends. Okay, so the doggies had their playtime. Now I'm heading back home. I'm sure they enjoyed the park a lot. Hear the name of your mom and your... Ooh. You hear the name of your mom and you're excited. Oh, mamma mia, mamma mia. She's excited.